So, dear doctors, shall we start the session today? Because it's already 9:01. I think we can start today. Are all you ready, or
Okay.
shall we wait for one more minute? Yeah, okay then. Okay. So, good evening, dear doctors. I'm excited today to do the moderator job. जैसे भी मैं बीच बीच में बात करती ही रहती हूँ ना
Oh.
so it is for me. It is good for me. So basically this session will be an interactive session. So in between I will be asking some questions to Dr. Pungurali.
Okay.
Madam, am I right?
Pungurali. Yeah, Pungurali.
Pungurali. Yes.
Okay.
I got it. Dr. Rekha, madam, am I right? Na? Pungurali. Huh?
Yeah. Even
Yes.
I practice, ma'am. Pungolelli.
Thank you for the
Problem,
exercise.
no problem.
Yeah, Pungurali. Yeah, I got a new pronunciation today. So when I going through the introduction of this doctor, I was really excited and little bit happy and also feeling great to introduce this doctor to our platform. Dear doctors, I have already told you about observation, right? So all of you are good with observation, I think. So observation in the sense not only in the not only in the visible ones, you need to be observing the words, the ethical, the spiritual, the emotional, whichever content or regarding our study all these days. And I'll be asking the questions in our interactive session. Whatever you have right? Observation will be our motto. Okay. So for that matter, I'll let you know what is observation after this session. So Dr. Pungurali, she is from Vellore district of Tamil Nadu. Let me introduce her. She completed her BHMS from Government Homeopathic Medical College, Tirumangalam, Madurai district of Tamil Nadu, in 1997 batch. So this is one exciting point to me. I'll let you know why. She had an integrative approach with various healing methodologies. For this purpose, she completed her MSc Psychology. She completed her PGD Yoga, PGDHS Acupressure from Annamalai University, Chidambaram, Tamil Nadu, and having clinical experience around 20 years, thank God, and grown with homeopathy since childhood. This is so passionate about this. Started to practice from small village and served the people at early days. She shifted her practice to Chennai and now in Erode district of Tamil Nadu. Okay, having few years of teaching experience also. So she had explored the teaching level also. And in 2018, she joined as research assistant for the DST sponsored project. This is something exciting. Please listen to this. On design and development of artificial intelligence based diagnostic tool for autism spectrum disorders. That means for autism spectrum disorders, we are designing tools on the basis of artificial intelligence. In that project, she worked as research assistant. Right, madam?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. So developed two mobile applications for ASD diagnosis, one for the parents to identify autistic traits in their children early, and another to help the clinician and therapist to diagnose the ASD, which is based on the standard ASD diagnostic tool CARS. Okay. Developed questionnaire with standard methodologies. Collected training data for AI model from government special schools for special children in and around Erode district. Had 3 years of extensive exploration on neurodevelopmental disorders. Neurodevelopmental disorders में 3 years का experience है और speaker को today. We need to respect her so much now, right? Published research articles in national and international journals along the team. The passion in homeopathy. All this has been done with the passion in homeopathy. You need to observe your doctors. Passion is the word. Passion in homeopathy and the positive reinforcement from the people's gratitude. This is what our basic food for any other physician. The people's gratitude. Gratitude से जो positive in reinforcement मिलता है हमें. Positive reinforcements from the people's gratitude are the guiding lights on my path of life. That is her line, not my line. That is her line. Okay. So the passion in homeopathy and the positive reinforcements from the people's gratitude are the guiding lines on my path of life. Really great, madam. I really wish you to listen to you much more, and we will be asking you some questions about this Autism Spectator project after our session. Please feel free to answer us. And one more thing, now for the part of the observation. Okay, so my observation is she had passed out in 1997, which is just 1 year junior to me. Madam, I have passed in 1996.
Yes,
My
ma'am, I know.
my intern is over in 1996. No, that is not exciting. What is exciting is in our college for the PSM project, Preventive and Social Medicine project, we visited Madurai College, the Tirumangalam College.
Oh, where
That means
are you, ma'am?
we no, we have that in 1993-94, where you will be 1 year junior to me, and we have spoken to all the juniors at that time, girls and boys. The exciting part is we have met before, well before, 20 years before this session,
Oh,
and we have spoken to each other, but we don't know each other right now.
yes, ma'am. I didn't remember to.
Yes,
Thank you very
that
much,
is the
ma'am.
exciting point. Yeah, that when I've gone through your introduction, I was really happy. At that right moment, I wanted to do the moderation of this session with that note only. And one more interesting thing is, I don't know Tamil at that time, so all the people said that no. While visiting Tamil Nadu, you need to know Tamil. English also nahi chelta hai, kuch nahi chelta hai. So I was trying to learn 1-2 lines Tamil from my colleague who knows already Tamil more. So I wanted to ask, surprise you people. I wanted to ask you people that do you know Telugu? So that I wanted to ask in Tamil. So what I did ask, Ungalaku Tamil Teriyuma. This is what I asked. This is what I asked, and everybody broke into laughter. I could not know what is that one. I wanted to ask that do you know Telugu? But ultimately I ended, do you know Tamil? So that is what is the joke of that day. So that is in my mind because everybody broke into laughter on that day. I was so uh, so in that position, so embarrassing situation at that time. Okay, so now I know little Tamil, madam, not more. Huh? Okay, so shall we introduce? Shall we invite our doctor, dear doctors? Now, shall we invite our speaker with that passion in all of us?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Dr. Pundrali. Please continue with your session now.
Thank you very much for a nice introduction of me. Thank you very much, ma'am. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I am practicing since 20 years. I have homeopathy from my childhood. It nourishes me since childhood. Am I audible, ma'am? Is it okay?
Yeah, you
Is it
are
okay?
audible. It's quite okay, but you are not visible, madam. If it is that, you
Yeah.
can, if you on your video also, that will be good with
Yeah.
us. No problem, however you are like. Please open your video
The camera
so that
also
it will go.
not working. The camera also not
Oh,
working, I think, ma'am. So that's the
no
problem.
problem. Okay, if you
Oh,
can give a try, it's better. Otherwise, no problem.
no, it is not available actually. Okay, ma'am. Uh, okay. From childhood, I give my history from childhood. I have frequent tendency to take cold since childhood, and I have a big abscess at back of the pelvis at school age, which lasts for months, and I become lean, thin, and weak. Yet I resist to go for IND with the fear of knives. And homeopathy open up the abscess with huge pus, drains all night and day, and helps me to regain my stamina. I have a great fear of injections too. Still, I am using blunt knives at my kitchen only. So this fear lead me to choose homeopathy to study because I need a sweet peppers always in my life. Identifying who I am. Later you can say after the presentation. Okay. Let's coming to the topic. The emotional factors. My PPT is there, no? Hello.
No, ma'am.
Ye-
PPT is not
yes,
visible.
No, yes, doctor. Yes.
Okay. 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 Go to the third one. Third one. Okay. The third one. Okay. Okay. Next one. Next. Fourth one. Go to the fourth one. Okay. Okay. Let's coming to the topic in emotional factors and endocrine disorders. You know, emotions are the complex of subjective experiences, feelings, and associated behavioral patterns, which may be positive like happiness and joy, or negative like fear, anger, and sadness. Each will leave its own impression on individual's life. It will imprint its own neuropsychological changes in our brain, body, and endocrine system. And being female, we know how sensitive we are, and our hormonal system more sensitive than everything else. It will react with each and every changes in environment in and around us. Our traditional medicine compares our menstrual cycle with the lunar cycles. We know our menstrual cycle will change even by the change of place. Our circadian rhythm may change along with the magnitude of our earth. No words to say about our immediate environment, like our own mind, family, society, and all, which all have great impact on us. Female hormones, especially estrogen and oxytocin, made us to tramp around the theme love and affections. Otherwise, no woman can bound with the man for life. No mother can care and nourish her child, and no life can exist in the world without these hormones. If any conflicts arises within the theme of love and affection, will affect the femininity of the female by the changing her hormonal patterns. We know that testosterone excess in PCOD convert her to be no longer as a female. And another hormone, progesterone, we may not say whether it is our friend or foe. It supports her to be a mother. It supports the womb throughout the pregnancy. But the sudden withdrawal of progesterone after delivery may prone to postpartum blues in some vulnerable women. The pulsatile function of progesterone during luteinizing phase of menstrual cycle leads to mood swings of premenstrual syndrome. At menopausal women, progesteronic swings along estrogen leads to various physical and mental discomforts. We can notice mental disorders get aggravated during premenstrual periods. Thus, we can understand the emotional pathology behind the gynecological disorders. Next slide. Next slide. Okay. Here I am presenting some of our personalities in gynecological disorders. Let's start with our emotional queen and princess, Natter-Muriantic. A lean, I present the case, a lean, thin, gloomy, married woman comes at December 22 with a history of irregular, delayed menses, 6 to 7 days, have a moderate to heavy flow, painful with nausea and vomiting, stitching pain in abdomen on empty stomach, pain in knee while sitting on the floor. History of PCOD since puberty. Reports show subclinical hypothyroidism. Thirst increases with dry lips and mouths. As I'm up with the dry lips and mouth, I think. Besides spicy food and sweets, thermal heat intolerance, stool hot and constipated, sleep disturbed, startles and cramps in legs, wakes up during sleep with dreams of failure. Married, having two children, living with her husband. On mental plane, she have extreme fear and aversion to men. Coming to me just because I am being female homeopath. Never come out of home or went for any social gatherings, as she thinks every man looking at her. Fear others will read her mind. Even FM also plays her favorite song by some man said to influence her. Even I feel someone will influence you to give wrong medicines. 6 months later, she brings all unfinished containers. I shocked. Thankfully, she took few doses. She, she goes into frequent episodes of depression with sleeplessness. As someone looking her during sleep too. No sexual life, even she desires. As someone will videos her intimacy. Closes all windows and curtains. No bathing for days, as she feel her father-in-law will peep through or someone will hide in the bathroom. Yet she loves her husband, though complaining he is not understanding me, not romantic enough, not caring enough. Frequent fights with her husband. He uses hard words and later felt sorry about it. Awesome family history. Her mother made to marry into a physically handicapped man and have an extramarital relationship with some well-to-do man. Don't care her daughter abused her as being female. Cared by good-hearted aunt. Doesn't look doesn't like to stay at her home as it is attached with her father's grocery shop, where men used to visit. They used to smoke and chat for hours. Went through childhood sexual abuse by a cousin brother. The disgust feeling of it made her nauseous and vomiting around the puberty. Around her 16 years, she attained puberty. So thereon, she had the complaints. She scared of fellow men and discontinued her studies at school level itself. She thought, though she is intelligent enough, she doesn't go to the college. So, first prescription was Natrium Muriaticum 1 m weekly once given along with thyroidinum 6s as thyroid I think of playing the role in her for her mood swings and all fears and everything. Then MAC for 6s was given for pains. After taking the medicine, her delusions gradually reduces with up and downs. Daily, she WhatsApp me pages of messages. She made frequent calls for reassurance. Repeatedly, she is said about her fears. How do you, other fear of other men? How she feel when coming out of the home? Everything every day. I have to chat with her 1 hour like that. She brings daily diary full of writings. Her mind then gradual assurance and with an attribute, her mind became clear after the winter months completed. Usually, winter months, the depression episode will aggravate. Okay, after February 23, she comes at the December 22, and February her menses get regular. She comes to get medicine for a tick fever of her cow and calf. She had also pets, dogs and cats too. She loves animals. She grow very cared about it. She is very sensitive to nature too. So given natriumute, sorry, even carcinosin 203 doses interconnect. Okay. After after next month, March 23, she burst out. She burst out with all her anger and everything. She said, "I have to express everything. I had to fight." Then she fight with her mother and cousin brothers' mothers, as all because of you, I become like this. So she uses hard words, uh, very vulgar words too. I used, ma'am. She said like that. Then fight with her father-in-law as he expresses himself in sexual manner and sent him into his daughter's home. So they reduce the natriuretic volume into 200. Tasinosin stopped. So with natriuretic 200 again, she feels better and she feels focused. Says, I have to take care of my children and now I should not be like my mother. Then she brings her dyslexic daughter for therapy. So she frequently visit with her daughters. Every time that they send the daughter next to the cabin, and she needs separate time to explore all her things. And she is now okay. She is the till today and yesterday also. She every day she used to message me. Last week she come last week this you know last week she comes with well dressed with a nice kurti, brings a diary noted all her menstrual cycles since 2022 are become almost regular. Now she asks, is there any medicine to make my period yearly or postponed to attend the temple function at my village? I have invited all my relatives for the function. If I get menses, I may not host it. So our mentality also changed. She has to. She now she is mingled with people and go to the social gatherings. Everything changed. Then she says, "Ma'am, now I understand what is my problem. I accept too much from my husband and others. I doesn't accept as they are. Now I doesn't care for others or any man. I walk with straight eyes without caring others. I am now confident. Now she sleeps well and wakes early at 4 a.m. Starts her day with yoga, meditation, prayers. Take care of children. Lawson says, take baths in the early morning itself, ma'am. No one there to look, no. Like that, she is changed. Ma'am, I realize your medicines are working. Now I am getting the dreams of the boy once I loved and I didn't express. Now he comes in dreams with full of butterflies and music in my heart. I ask, are you still loving him? No, ma'am, I love my husband. That is just a part of life. See, the wonderful transformation of our natural. Um,
Uh, Doctor, so shall we discuss this case now only 1 or 2 minutes?
yes.
Then you can
Okay, ma'am.
go further
Okay.
so that you will be having little break. Huh?
Okay.
So as I've asked earlier. So
Okay.
here, dear doctors, do you have any other suggestions apart from Natromode for such a case history, such a history? Do you have any other DD differentiated differential
Yes.
diagnosis like that?
Yes. The delusion,
So
delusion level, you can think others.
the delusion. So, what is the differential diagnosis which come to your mind while she is explaining the case history? Please let us know. The other doctors, you can write or you can open your mic and you can tell. Because this is such a good case that all the emotional work has been done. But what my understanding is, I would like to share. So all the suspiciousness is there. Though Natromore is not that much mentioned in suspiciousness, but here in this case, Natromore worked very well because that suspiciousness comes from her childhood abuse. And even in Natromeriaticum, abusing is not that much mentioned in our daily. Okay, each drug will have everything, but abuse mainly contains about lactaninum or the dove medicine in the bird remedies. The dove medicine is there, so that is what my idea went to, because she's already heart patient. She does not like men or other people, and she, even though she is like Natramur, so I wanted to see what is the follow-up. But the Natramur has strictly strictly taken care of this case, because she said that now I can see directly into the eyes of the of other men. That is 1.1. Please note, dear doctors. So whenever we are treating a case of grief or depression or sadness, with Ignatia, Natramur, Sepia, the trio. Don't forget about the trio. All the trios given by Hahnemann and other our old doctors, or our ancestor doctors, they are completely working with us. Okay, whenever we give Ignatia, only the matter of grief I'm speaking with. So if at all the patient is really grief, really very grief, in grief, she does not want to speak at all. Ignatia is a very dignified lady in cancer miasm, so that so what her generally feeling is, her level is not matched by her husband's level or family's level. So in the beginning, she is telling him, and afterwards she won't tell them. She says that they should know what is my level and they should behave according to me. Otherwise, I don't want to tell, because she is a dignified lady. But the grief inside her will be solidified. And after a continuous deeply digging, then only the Ignatia lady will come out. Okay. So we will be prescribing Ignatia Varnam and she will be better and everything over. After Ignatia Varnam, she starts this would be the general lineup of the following, which you can note down. After Ignatia, she will be arguing. She will be in the arguing type. Earlier, what did she do? She did not do any complaining. She did not do any complaint. What did she say? They should know that what I like or what I don't like. They should attend me. Like that, she is telling when she is in Ignatia condition. And when she is in the arguing time, when she will be in arguing time, that means what she will be arguing? I have done so much now, so my husband should know, but he also should love me because I'm loyal to him. I'm giving love. He should give me love. So immediately after getting up, I'm saying him good morning. He also should say good morning to me. I'm getting him coffee. He also should get coffee to me, or he need to go to the office and he need to praise my lunch, like that. But what happens after that? She don't know anything, because Natramur falls in the first column of the periodic table, so she doesn't know. She is like just a born baby. What is the just born baby does? If it has if it has hunger, it will cry. The mother will feed. If it is has is wetting its diapers, it will cry. The mother will clean. That means immediately her need should be answered. It doesn't know anything after that, the child, the infant. So like that, the Natramur will be also one-sided. He doesn't know what else. What will you do if your husband is not attending you? So what will you do now? No, na. He should do that to me, na. He should do that to me, na. That is only her answer. She doesn't know how to decide between divorce or between staying together. Nothing. So she will be continuously thinking and brooding, and she will become a Natramur patient at that time. Then we need to prescribe Natramur. So पहले हमने Ignatia दे दिया. In that line of treatment, we can prescribe Natrum mediaticum and see what after Natrum mediaticum happens. Natramur just breaks down the dependency. Just the estrogen will be decreased, the increased estrogen levels will come into normal, and the progesterone starts working after that. Okay, so Natramur just breaks the dependent. After Natramur, when you want to see in depression cases that if Natramur has been worked or not, this is the only line. What is this in the case also? She says that I doesn't care for other men now. I walk straight with direct eyes. So this is the independence level of Natramur. So she will not feel anything disturbed by anybody, any depression after the Natramur prescription, and she knows what is better, what is not. She becomes independent, and even if her cause of the depression is still there like that, then she may become more independent in her decisions, and then she will enter into the more progesterone levels, and that is sapia. And after more and more independent decisions, what happens? Generally, the rapport with the family people and everything will be gone. and she will be doing all the work. She doesn't want to discuss with anybody. She will do everything, and one fine day she will collapse with her knee joint or back pain or everything. And then at that time she needs the people, family people, to take care of her. But already all of them are deviated from her. At that time she becomes very irritable. She doesn't want to do. She just takes leave from the work. That means ऐसे होता है तो होता है, नहीं तो I will sleep. That's all. घर में कोई relatives आए हैं, so if somebody come to the home, husband asks to cook for them. No, I'm not well. I'll sleep. That's all. Simply she sleeps. She doesn't want to avoid the people, but she wants to avoid the work because she can't do. Her even her 1 calorie from her body also has gone now, and that is the sepia state. That is why sepia person will be irritable always and always. Okay, so in this case, how we will see that Natromir has worked in this case, that she says that I am very confident now. And the one more thing she said, that the boy and the music has come into her heart now. That means she is being living in her good moments now. That is Natromir. Natromir always will be loving other persons in her heart and heart. But she will be only confident to one person. It may be her husband, her lover, or mother, or father. Only one person, 1 to 1. So now she said that, do you love the boy? No, I love my husband. And so in this way, we can see the transformation by Natromir. Definitely Natromir helped in this case, madam, and this is a very lovely case. But we want to know the carcinosin, because you may have given
Yes,
carcinosin because she is loving pets and she is having
No,
all the.
ma'am.
No.
Yes, ma'am. I feel like she went through all the stressful situation in life. She's feel very drained. Uh, she go to her extremes to other ways. She's also struggling in life. Her husband in some financial bad condition like this. She's coping with everything. Otherwise normal except this delusions and everything. And go to the Natromir because as you showed, as child, Natromir as child, she always missed the mother's care. Every time she said, every day whenever she comes, she said, my mother is like that. My mother, because of mother's lack, I am being like that. Yesterday too, she says on Mother's Day, ma'am, I didn't be blessed with the good mother. So that thought itself killing me like that, ma'am. That is the message she conveys yesterday on Mother's Day. So today she brings her dog's complaints. She brings up some calendar here she gets. So for the dog's injury like that, the love for animals always. So I think of giving the carcinosin as come.
Yes, carcinosin is an artistic one, and the lack of love in the childhood, that also goes for lack remedies also, madam. Lack remedies also can be thought of,
Yes.
but because she is not complaining with others and she is continuing with her daily duties, then she will be coming into mineral, and that's why Natromir has helped her. And why didn't you go for folliculinum at that time, madam?
She's
Because she is
in
having.
order. She actually she's perfectly mineral. She write down everything. Her diary full of
Yes,
everything
yes,
orderly
that is.
manner. From
Yes, yes.
last week, I was shocked how much she is followed that much accurate. Her every message date mentioned and collected and write it again in a line to easily read for me. So that
Yes,
much
yes, in the right
she.
manner. Yeah, that is mineral therapy only. But
Yes.
why didn't you think of folliculinum to be given intermediate? Why did you go for carcinosin? Or what is the need for giving an intercurrent remedy in this case? While Natromir is holding good, why did you go for an intercurrent remedy in this case?
She's constantly talking about the same delusion. Ma'am, men are looking at me. I'm not comfortable enough with while coming. And even I didn't go to the shop because I feel everyone looking at me. I didn't talk with everyone. I am always looking down. That much problem is there consistently on up and down. Sometimes after assurance she is okay, then again it comes. So I think of some deep acting remedies there. So like that.
No, actually, delusions, carcinosin will be going good with anybody in any situation. No? So, delusions means you may have gone into some other. Okay, not that I'm telling you may have looked at. Just for the DD purpose, I'm speaking. Yeah, I have learned a new angle of carcinosin today. So, because she is having a PCOS and everything, so folliculinum and oophorinum, because she had that suppression, she had that child abuse, she had that lack reading. So folliculinum can also be thought to be given intermittent or in 30
Yes.
potencies. In future, if she comes with any PCOS, you can think about that
Yes.
irregular period.
Yes, I am
Yeah,
using in PC bodies, ma'am. But this case, mine is dominant, so I think of going on this way,
yes,
sensation
yes.
method. I think so.
Uh,
I think, and I didn't
Okay.
think of others. So thyroidinum,
Yeah.
low potency is there. So hypothyroid.
Yeah, you mentioned
10 to
subclinical hypothyroidism, no? So
Yes,
what is
yes.
subclinical hypothyroidism, madam?
Seems
When you
always
mentioned that?
reports. Yes, reports are seems normal, but the symptoms are there like depression, some lethargy, like that. We can think of.
You have taken that symptom of the
Yes.
thyroid. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, dear doctor. And all other doctors, if you have any doubts, please raise the question now only. Otherwise, we will move to the second case. And please don't feel that I'm interfering in between because this is what this is what our
Yes,
esteemed speaker has requested me to check with every case in between only. So that's why I have entered so that we won't forget also afterwards. Huh? Doctor, dear doctor, if you have any other queries, all the other members, please raise your hand and you can unmute your speaker. Or otherwise, we will move to the second case. Quite interesting cases. And that is what is the reason I have selected this doctor to speak in our daily study. So I've seen her cases in our group and I've thought that, oh, these are a real good amount of cases are there. So I requested her to be, and I have pestered her in the sense to be our speaker today. Okay? Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, dear doctor. Yeah, we will proceed to the second case.
Okay, ma'am. And next also the anatomy girl only. She is 24 years female, just completed her studies and joined as a highly professional with high income. She transformed as a village girl into ultra modern Western girl. She loves her college mate. She feels he too loves her, but in reality it is not, and he rejects. She becomes sleepless, lost appetite, and becomes thin. Though she is looking good, she gets into the complex of I am not fair enough. Her menses get suppressed around 6 months. Her are suppressed for around 6 months. Her ovaries become palpable on both sides and enlarge into centimeters. So need for an emergency surgery and one of the ovary get removed and the natremute restores the another ovarian function. Uh, After a few years, she regains a logical mind and happily married and having two children naturally conceived with single ovary. And the differentiating point here I had to say if a woman went for the infertility treatment goes for induced ovulation with the hormonal therapy. Those also get enlarged palpable ovary like this. In centimeters, you can see the big. You can easily palpate the both ovaries and them for them. So we should aware of it while handling infertility cases. So coming to the natremure, the negative side of natremure is she tend to keep her emotional trauma as fresh as it is. It bleeds, no matter how many years back it happens. The conflict of identity here is she depends on another person to complete her identity. They literally crave for romantic love, maybe the solve for the life. They tend to live in imaginary world, the fairyland, that the man should understand what she needs without a word she conveys. I think every woman feel like that, no? And female, okay. Here I am completing the natrum. Then going to the natrum court case. Next, please. Next slide, please. Rachana. Next slide, please. Okay. Then coming to the Natram case, she is 37-year-old female married with a diagnosis of DUB, PCOD, and hypothyroidism. She is moderately obese with the complaints of irregular profuse menses lasting for 10 to 15 days, followed by no menses for 2 to 3 months. If start again, the same with heavy flow, painless, profuse. When the complaints aggravated, when she wake up, when she wake up from the sitting position, when walking, on other physical works like cooking, everything. The flow is bright red, sometimes with glands, need to change 4 to 5 pads per day. She's on hormonal therapy for long time, but failed. Every time it need to increase dose or go to another hormonal pill like that. So worried about the side effects of heat. So and she feel weak and tired, even unable to think proper. Sweat and exertion. Thermally, she is a heart patient. Heat of the sun aggravates. Thirst for juice and refreshing things. Aversion to food. During menses, she had aversion to food, no specific desires, sleep disturbed during menses. First question, sulfur one dose given to antidote the effects of hormonal therapy. Then started Sabina 30 during the heavy flow, every 1 hour in a water dose. Trillium pentanoatum Q, 5 drops 3 times a day, and thyroidum 6s given OD morning doses. At the time she comes at the time of heavy flow, so the flow controlled after the 9th day, and next time she come at the November 19th. First it is okay, September 21, and next November, 2 months after she comes, and so no menses after 2 months. Since 2 months, the menses not yet appeared. So she felt, and also she felt it doesn't regain her original stamina. Earlier, I am very active, tend to do things organized and fast, but I am not now. I am lethargic, postponing things, need to take rest in between works. Cooking makes me very tired, especially if I cook at noon. I get irritated when my daughter doesn't do what I said. Keep on thinking if in-laws said anything hurtful. Just to be quiet and thinking over it. I don't want any disharmony with others, so I bears everything. Our, her relative who referred her to me said her husband is alcoholic and all the suffering of her because of it. But she never conveys anything about it. When asking, she says her husband is good and I don't interfere with his things and the relationship is good. She had itching and dryness of vagina, particularly the dryness of vagina is more marked in her. White before every menses, she get the dryness and white itches, and the investigation shows she is anemic. Again, the natrum carb 1 weekly doses given. Thyroid 6 is also continued. Sabina 30 also continued as to take at the heavy flow times and changed into Helonia's Q to take depending on the flow. 8 menses after the 5 days of after the medicines. Get moderate flow and painless flow. This time the flow control at the 7th day. Next December 21, at the first month, one month gap itself, she get the menses. It is moderate flow controlled on the 7th day. Then the natrum carbonum 15 days once has given. So thyroidinum also continue. Within 6 months, her menses get regularized and ends with the tuberculum vonum. Ends with the vonum one dose. Okay. So that's about Nadram case. Next case is go to the next one, ma'am. Okay, nitric acid. Okay, this is an endometriosis case. She is 39 years old female, moderately big, with complaints of severe intolerable cramping pain on lower pelvis during menses, extending back and thighs, heavy flow on second body, bright red, passing membranes on and off, lasting for 5 to 6 days. The complaints started after her cesarean delivery that was 8 years back. Um, her report shows scar endometriosis and multiple peritoneal spread also seen. She get exhausted after every menses. She fear it will end in fatal. She had a toxic marital relationship. She is professional, married an ordinary man against the will of her parents. Earlier, he was good. Later, he became alcoholic, not not going to work, sending out her hard and he doesn't go to work and spending her hard and money in lavish manner. In addition, he also borrows loans and money from others as doing some business and losing everything. Fights and quarrels, physical and mental abuses are never ending in her life. She said living for her child only, applied for divorce. She feel like she get trapped, difficult to breathe. Just I want to break open and come out of this to breathe free. So nitric acid. I prescribed nitric acid 200 weekly doses and CF6X BD given. And within 3 months, her pains disappeared. After the second court hearing, she changed her my idea of divorce also. Decided to live with him rather than living alone in the society. Her husband also changed himself. They live good now. Okay, next go to the next case. So next is menopausal syndrome. Okay, she is 54 years old female. She is a typical fair, fat, flabby lady of a particular so particular community they look like say sometimes I have the inference like that. She complains of irregular menses since 2 years, sometimes yearly, sometimes delayed, moderate flow, bright red, and with low back pain on first day, pain in knee joints and descending steps, legs swollen at evening, more on traveling. Appetite decrease, eats twice only, vegetarian, desires sweets and fruits. Thirst after perspiration. Sweat profuse on least exertion. Sudden flushes of heat with drenching sweats. Need to be under fan always. Unable to be at the kitchen to cook. Gardening works also makes her exhausted. Stool irregular, pass with difficulty. If doesn't take any fruits or vegetables like that. If fiber is not there, she get the constipation. Sleepless at night. If sleep a day, she is sleepy at night, and sleep is unrefreshing. Thermally, she is chilly. She had great fear and anguish and about her health, about the health of her husband and son. So main fear is for family. Her husband has some cardiac issues, worried something will happen to him. Her son living outside, having epistaxis on and off at the summer times made her worried. Become sleepless, he if her son doesn't call. Worries God punished her with the menstrual issues and she unable to plan for pilgrims with this. If it corrected, I will do all my offerings for God, and she prays for hours every day. Typically religious. According to constitution and other fears, I selected Skalkeria carb. So one weekly doses and 5 or 6 BD given. After medication, she get menses once, and thereafter no menses for months. She is comfortable with the physicals too, concluding with the dose of sulfur. Usually, people on simple sattvic diet, so particularly some Hindu community, they are always on very sattvic diets. So they follow regular prayers. They tend to follow the morals. So these people usually, according to my observation, they respond good with the single prescription itself. But it is hard to get result with others on all worldly things. So psychosyphilitic constitution need multiple prescription to resolve the symptoms layer by layer. Hence, okay, I am concluding this presentation. Thank you all of you. If any queries, kindly ask. Ma'am, Padma ma'am, you give your inferences here.
Yeah, thank you, doctor. So I don't wanted to disturb you in between, so I did not
Yeah.
interfere in the second case.
Okay.
So first we will ask the session mates. So any
Hello. Is it understandable, or I am reading fast itself?
No, we could understand, ma'am.
Okay,
And
it is followable only.
let me
Okay.
ask if there are any questions.
yes, please do that. Huh? I'm speaking with my mute mic.
Rekha ma'am has said very nice session. Any more questions? If we have, we can take the questions. I think Padmaja ma'am uh, has some issue with the internet.
No, am I audible now, Doctor?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Yeah. बीच में कुछ हुआ था मैं I have left and I have joined again.
Yes, ma'am, you
So
can
that's why I'm
continue.
not able to check the messages. Huh? So yes, doctor. Yes, Dr. Murali. So I'm very happy that I have invited you today to this session and you have really done the magic today. So here, dear doctors, we need to understand the first prescription and the follow-up and when we need to interfere with the intercurrent remedies and what will be the dosage of that intercurrent remedies and also what is that and also uh, um, the what we call the dosage. That means the triturations part. So whenever we have the triturations part also, so that means the thyroidinum 3x or the calcarea for 6x. So when to give, in which case to give, all these things we'll be learning in these cases now. So I wanted to ask her for the sake of our participants. In the second case, tuberculinum was given, na? So
Yes,
would
ma'am.
you
Yes,
please let
ma'am.
us know tuberculinum? Why did you give, and why
Yes,
did
ma'am.
you ended up with
Because
tuberculinum?
because of the bleeding tendency, DUB is there. So so for the reason I have selected this one.
So for the bleeding tendencies, tuberculosis will be the best intercurrent remedy as per your knowledge, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Mhm. Okay, Dr. Rekha madam is asking about Helonius Q. She have given
Yes.
to give more inputs about Helonius. Please.
Oh. Yeah, Helonius, you can give to the endemic woman with the DUB, ma'am. So, it also related to diabetes like that. So, depending on the symptoms, you can select.
Okay. So Helonias we will be giving more in infertility cases also with anemia.
Yes.
Okay. So and in the second case that was and in the as a endometriosis case you have given
Yes.
about nitric acid,
Nitric
right?
acid.
Okay.
Nitric acid.
That is about focal. And after nitric acid, what was the drug? When CF6X also you have made start, right?
Yes.
To
Yes.
get that. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
CF6X has been. Yeah, please tell.
I has to continue because it act on tissue level. The endometrial what do you call they tend to deposit on the peritoneal cavity. So everything. So think of fibrous deposits. I think of I give calcareous floor.
Yes, yes, the right. Yes. Anyway, everywhere in our body, where is the cartilaginous deposits are there. I think I have said this before also. The cartilaginous deposits are there, or the calcium deposits are there. We can give calcarea floricum, not phosphoricum, calcarea floricum in very mild potencies, maybe 6x or 6C, to get dissolved. Fluorine is one thing that it gets dissolved everything. So calcium, to resolve calcium, calcarea fluor. Like that, endometriosis has scale deposits. Yeah, yes, madam.
She
Endometriosis has that
also
scale.
losing all her money, ma'am. Her husband spends everything,
Yes, yes.
earning
Yeah,
hard earned. So she feels she become poor because of him. She collect all money for his child study. He go to the take the cards and spend everything and made him empty. So that thing also made me think of it.
yes, that's a beautiful because delusion, poverty, delusion, he will be
Yes,
poor. Is the
yes,
main
ma'am.
symptom of calcarea floricum as a constitution. So
As
here
well as
she
it
has
should
applied
be
that.
done.
That
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, that also, and the thing, the endometriosis thing
Deposition
is
done.
also there. So
Yes.
yeah, so because calcarea floor has not been diagnosed as her simillimum, calcarea floor has
Yes.
been given as a partial thing, partial
Yes.
simillimum, or to go
Yes.
with a
Low
parallel thing.
potency.
So
Yes.
yeah, in this way we can select, dear doctors. In this way we can help our simillimum. The things which the lower remedies which which we will be selecting, the lower potency remedies, that also should be matched to the case. Like in this case, okay,
Yes. Yes.
delusion that
I always
there will
think
be
of it,
two.
ma'am.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Always thinking everything is it matched to her like that. And I select.
Okay. So even though if we give in 6x potencies like the thyroidinum, like the folliculinum,
Yes.
like the
Okay.
calcareous floor, or like any other 6x potencies, that should be matched with their
Yes.
constitutional symptoms also, along with the lab investigations, like that.
Yes.
Not that
Yes.
just only thyroid is there, you give thyroidinum 3x, it doesn't
Yes.
work like that. Okay. So,
Yes.
dear doctors, please note this one. And after that one, you have said about tuberculinum is for bleeding tendencies, you said.
Bleeding tendency.
That's one,
Yes. Yeah.
one more takeaway point for me. And in the third case, that is endometriosis over there. So, in calcarea carp case, so in
Yes, ma'am.
calcarea carp case, you have given, you said that only two drugs are sufficient because she is in sattvic diet and sattvic
Yes.
living.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
that means in the sense she is in psoric miasm. So
Yes.
one
So
or two
yeah.
prescriptions are
Oh.
better. Okay, that we could understand. But
Oh.
after calcarea carp, you have given sulfur to end the case.
So
But in general, the order is sulfur calcarea lico, right?
yes, ma'am.
The order is hmm.
Yes, I read.
Sulfur will not follow calcarea. Na? Sulfur will not follow calcarea. Calcarea will follow.
Ma'am, I
So,
had okay, ma'am. That book I read in Shodla Savana, ma'am. I think Gujarat madam. At our period, she is practicing. Well, she writes, you can alter with any the order also just because is it suit with you like that she writes. I had a book. I will send the copy that particular line in the group itself.
Okay. Please send it, madam, in the group so that
Okay.
we will learn that one. And
Okay.
whatever I said now, sulfur, calcarea, lipo, the thing here in this case, it should not be followed also because
Yes.
sulfur, calcarea, lipo cycle is followed more in the digestion cases where
Yes, ma'am.
sulfur
Just,
and where podium will be there, the gases thing and the gases all. As an acidity patient, first he will
yes.
be coming with anxiety, acidity, gases, everything. So first we will give arsenicum also. Then the anxiety will come down. The original gases will be there, and then we will give lycopodium. So the gases will come down because it is only in the lower abdomen gases. And all other lipo symptoms also will match. Then the burning will settle. Madam, gases कम हो गया, anxiety कम हो गया, छाती में burning और भी left है. So then we will supplement it with sulfur. Then after sulfur is over, everything is over, madam. Now I don't have burning, I don't have gases or everything. My appetite has been boosted up. I want to eat everything. जो भी खाना मिलता है, नया खाना I want to eat. But that is not suiting me. Even after eating that new food, my stomach burns, my stomach bloats, man. If I don't eat new food, I am good. But I want to eat all the new varieties. So that is where calcarea carb will come into situation. So in that lineup, we can follow. That means in that era of digestive issues, we can follow sulfur, calcarea, lipo, and not in all other issues. May not be in all other issues. This could be the understanding in that one. Okay, madam. And the
I
other
plainly
thing
used
is
as a, I plainly use it as a antisoric only. Sulfur I used as
yes,
antisoric only.
yes.
So
So both the case.
further complaints will not appear. So that I will include sulfur.
Instead, you can use it of sorinum also, madam, for that anti-soric. Because
Okay.
has the delusion
Okay.
of poor, delusion. So sorinum is also having in the delusion I am poor. Sorinum, calcarea
No.
floor, bryonia,
No.
all are there in the Greek, right?
Okay.
So
No.
you whenever
She
no,
had
you can
mainly
do
fear, ma'am. Fears only her
fear of
problems.
fear
Okay,
that
that is another thing.
fear that is poor, fear that I am poor. A delusion I am poor. So one rubric is there. Na? In that these three remedies will be there. Sorinum, bryonia,
Okay.
calcarea floor, and two more remedies are racaninum or something. So the so what I mean to say is my suggestion is you after calcarea you can give one dose of sorinum in higher potencies to end the case, and you can wait and you can follow it with a sulfur 1 mr 200 to end the case. Something like that also we can plan. If at all
She's on
it
follow
is
up
in the
only. She's on follow up only, ma'am. Because she come for her husband complaint and son's complaint. I didn't give any medicines. Just doesn't have any
yes,
symptoms,
yes.
so
Yeah, okay, okay. That is so
keep her
fine.
let it
That
be.
is fine.
Okay.
We can wait. Yeah, yes, Dr. Beulah, you can unmute your mic and you can ask.
Ma'am, thank you so much, ma'am. I'm so sorry I was not able to attend the entire session. If in case something was discussed about the question I'm going to ask, please let me know. I have a case
Yeah.
that I'm treating, ma'am. She's going through secondary amenorrhea, which happened since she turned 18 years old. She got her menarche when she was 11, and secondary amenorrhea started at 18. Apparently, she was going through an excessive amount of stress because of some love relationship problem, and that was the only thing that I could get around. And after that, every time she wanted to get menses, she visited an allopathic physician. She was given treatment with allopathic medications. She got it. She got menses and everything, and then she got married, and then currently she's still at a state of amenorrhea, but only when she is on allopathic medicines she gets periods. Apparently, when she tried to visit a physician for fertility issues, she was given all kinds of hormones in order to induce ovulation or induce menses, everything. In earlier scans, she was told that she has smaller ovaries, smaller uterus. Now the sizes have come to normal. All of these things are going on, ma'am. Now she is coming to me with the issue of infertility. Now, how much can we help this particular case, ma'am?
Padmaja, ma'am.
Yes, doctor. No. Doctor, you answer it, then I will come into it.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely here, natriumur will play the role. So you can select according to her symptoms and generals in particulars. You can select her.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, I just
Okay,
wanted to know
doctor.
if secondary amenorrhea homeopathy has good scope or not.
Yeah, it will do well. I have another case. She is what is bulimia, another opposite one. They didn't leave, eat everything, and become thin. That is the case of
Okay,
cancer.
yes.
That in that case, she is totally become. She get no menses because she fear. She is very particular. She is to be thin. So like that, more than 5 to 6 years, she is not getting menses. After getting the medicine, homeopathic medicine, they gradually get the menses and become. She is become not gains weight also. Homeopathic medicines will act.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, Dr. Beulah.
Ma'am,
So
Chepan, ma'am.
second yeah. Yeah, you're from
Sorry.
Hyderabad.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So did you met me before anytime?
I met you, ma'am, but I was a student back then. You might not remember
Oh
me. From
yes, yes,
JSPS,
yes,
ma'am.
yes. Interni, yes, yes. The Hyderabad College interni. Yeah, I
Yeah.
remember. You know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So actually, secondary amenorrhea is the seat for homeopathy. So that means
Oh,
only a homeopathy can cure the secondary amenorrhea part. And in your
okay.
case, you have a valid point of having that love relationship or something, right?
Yes,
And
yes,
since
ma'am.
then, she's having secondary amenorrhea, and that is the cause for that case. There
Yes.
only you need to uh, you need to search or you need to ask her in that
Okay.
area only, because after marriage, because you said that she is married, so marriage is her against her wishes or due to her wishes. What is she feeling after marriage? Is she feeling guilty because loving one person and marrying another,
No, she
or
married the
what
same
is,
person, ma'am.
oh, then that is fine. So what is her actual feeling of her you what you said that she is into love relationship, and that was after that developed amenorrhea, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what is her feeling actually in that relationship, that whether she has been cheated or whether she has been left over, or whether she wanted to connect with him, but he is not giving her attention, or what is her, she arguing like nature, like that. So the experience of the total issue should be taken.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
should note the issue, you should not note the issue. हमें स्टोरीज नहीं चाहिए,
Yes,
लेकिन
yes.
हम स्टोरीज को लिसन करना है. What we
Huh.
need to take the experience of that story from her only, in her words. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so in
Yes.
her words, so I felt like this, I felt like that. Oh, I felt so shocked, I felt so surprised, I felt so depressed, I felt so crying, like. So these are all only broad words, broad meaning words. So
Yes,
what
ma'am.
do you mean crying? So what do you mean by crying? So then she may be telling that I wanted to cry like anything, like cry and cry and cry and cry. So what happens after that? Then my mind will be little bit happy. Then you can take it as weeping amelioration. So then if she says that I wanted to cry and cry and cry, but I don't want to show my cry to others, don't know, no other people want to see me like that. I don't want to others to tell me like don't cry like that. Then it may become consolation aggravation. Weeping
Yes.
mentality is there. You can take like that. Or otherwise, if the person has left me, he has left me, I'm so depressed. Yeah, gone. He is gone. How could he is gone? Then the acid force will come. Acid
Okay.
force will come because her discharges has been suppressed here. So
Yes.
discharges, actually acid force is there when there are many discharges and she got weak. So in that situation, she is not getting her normal discharges also. Then also acid positive work. And the other remedy is chocolate. Chocolate is there where chocolate wants the bonding with him, but that person is just neglecting her and he is moving away. But this lady is उसके पीछे पीछे जा रही है. She is going up again, but in chocolate she is so sensitivity. See, always remember, plant remedies are so sensitive in the core, not maybe in the outside. They are so sensitive in the core. Even Naxvomica looks like an animal or a metal. It is sensitive in the core. So that is why it's into the alcohol habit, because it can't give any. So no, doctor, please mute. Doctor, please. Yeah, you can listen with muting. So, like that. So that is why Naxwamika, even though it is sensitive at this core, it behaves for its targeted rates. It will behave like an animal remedy like that. Naxwamika with the highest anger like that. So chocolate is a plant remedy. It will be so sensitive. So her depression will be always in the sensitive manner. Like what I wanted him so badly, but he is not looking at me. Why he is doing like that? So did you do after that? So chocolate says that what will I do, madam? I am continuing with my work and he is continuing with his work. And जब भी मिलते हैं Saturday party something like that, I will be going to talk to him, but he will be going away from me. That means chocolate does not stop its work. Its daily duties are being done. It's daily going and done. But her relationship is only with the sensitivity. That means sensitivity means how could he do like that? I want the bondage very badly. So bondage is there. That is why the advertisement of chocolate says, what the advertisement of dairy milk or chocolate says? Celebrations together. Let us celebrate together with a chocolate. So that was the advertisements on the TV, right? So chocolate binds the emotions together. So that is why the binding, I want to be with him or I want to be away with him. That is the line their experience will go with that issue of whatever issue is there with her, and that is not been answered. So she is getting suppressed menstruation or amenorrhea. That is not amenorrhea actually. That is suppressed menstruation. We'll say because she has already got her primary menses. So we will talk it as suppressed menstruation. Okay, that is with chocolate. If acid force is there, she will be completely depressed because he is already lost. He's already went away. Maybe she may have married the same person, but her conflict at that time, whenever she faced the issue, remains with her. Remains with her. So if that is not solved, her physical problems may not be solved. And what in turn we have done, we are being forcibly inducing her with progesterone, estrogen, and everything. That means the internal core wound is like that. The wound is bleeding inside the heart, and we are applying all the ointments outside the heart. Inside the heart is the wound, and we are applying ointments outside the heart. How it will be treated? No? So she will be going on more and more depression like that. Her vital force can't take. So her conflict gets remained there after one or two children or after the menses or something. Then also the conflict remains same. It will go into another severe disease. Maybe endometriosis, maybe the particular in the genital organs because she is in the reproductive age now, or maybe in other plane of her depression and everything. So we need to clear the conflict first. For that, you need to take bar pucho unse. That means if you didn't get any sufficient thing, different levels, in different modes, different type of chatting. Like when you have some tea time with her, just chat with people, like just say some other discussions like देखो उनको ऐसा हो गया ना. The other lady in our neighborhood is there na. She got like this problem and she is not doing well like that. Then immediately she gets connected into that one. Gets connected and she speaks what her vital force is telling outside. I had a case like this where I had a patient that she is not at all good with her husband. Husband is good. She says that husband is also good, but she is not getting along with him. She is a painter. She is an embroidery. All type of arts are with her. She is like into a leadership role also, but she is not good with her husband. So this is the case of my colleague who could not take that case in sensation method. So when we are studying sensation method, we made a group of ourselves and we used to take each other's cases, staying mum in the Zoom. So the particular person, doctor, will take the patient's case and we will be assisting him on the Zoom. Like that, we use it to learn sensation method live cases in our clinics. Okay. So that particular, my colleague doctor had given me this case. So I also going on taking this case. So what happened now? After that, my colleague, my friend is there. She's not a homeopath. She has the same issues long before, but she is not coming out because I'm her close friend. She doesn't want to come out with all these cases. So she is letting know, but she is having the suppressed menstruation, everything. So I wantedly suggested her another homeopathic doctor because she is not coming out with me. Then I thought I wanted to discuss this case with her. I said that, hello, Sarala. So I got this case, because I am not regularly speaking with other patients to any other patient. But what happened? She is not a homeopath also. I intentionally made this talk with her. that yesterday, I was very busy with the case, and okay. So what was the case? She didn't ask about the case also. So I said that no. I got a case from Kurnool. It's a very long distance. We got the case on our phone, so I was busy. So the case is like this. No? So she is not good with her husband. She's a good painter, embroider. All these qualities are there in my friend. Immediately, without any blurt, she blurted out her vital force. What is that? She said that, yes, madam, yes, the males are always like that. Even though we are so loyal to him, loyal to them, they will be cheating upon us. They will be going to another lady. How could we take that? That means, actually, in my case, it's not the situation. I did not say anything like that. But in her case, it is a situation. It is a situation that the husband and wife are very lovable couple. They are consanguineous marriage only. But I don't know whether it is her assumption or he had really had an extramarital affair. She is not able to come out with that, and she is not able to digest also. There she developed psoriasis. There she developed suppressed menstruation. There she developed what not she developed. Till date she is having some or other complaint. Right now she is in diabetes also because the conflict has not been resolved. Because I have sent her to another homeopath. We should not do like that. We should be good with them. But what happened? No? The close friends, they doesn't want to tell their, they feel that they will be letting down. No? That also is a symptom, letting down. That is why she is not coming into contact. So in that way, giving another case to this person, she had blurted out everything, and I had stopped the other doctor's treatment, and I started giving her treatment, and all her complaints, her diabetes, her psoriasis, her menstruation, everything is in normal now. So that is how we are very good in taking all the cases of depressions or love managements or everything. And in your case, it's perfect. No, love management has come with the suppressed menstruation. So it is the homeopathic case. So better take the case very good and don't allow her to take any progesterone or estrogen, so that you take the case constitutionally and give the constitutional remedy. Then and there will be no need for her to take any other pills. She will be conceiving directly and she will be getting her menses also directly. And she will be a happy mother after that. Okay. Yes, Dr. Tharas. Yeah, did I answer you, Dr. Beulah?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. All my
Yes,
doubts are cleared now.
that's so fine. That's so fine. Thank you. And
Yes,
one,
you
yes,
shared the
doctor. Yes.
relevant to the topic also, ma'am. So the emotions, all its plays its own role, and your friends.
Yes. Yeah, thank you. And one more Dr. Tara Subha is asking about feeling cannot pass urine in front of others. We have so many drugs, madam, like Ambragresia is there. Ambragresia is one. But now, madam, you should not take the symptom as it is, madam. If you take the symptom as it is, you can go for a rubric. No, Dr. Tara Subha, you can unmute and you can ask your question, madam, so that we can avoid all the other discussion. Yes, Dr.
Ma'am,
Tara.
am I audible?
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
actually, you told about the Nantramur case right now. That means the Dr. Beulah ma'am explained on case. You give a beautiful explanation. From that, I said I sent the rubric for that. In one case, Dr. Farooq J. Master, he told about like this. He asked to take as a rubric like this: urine cannot in front of others, because they are not ready to open up their personal in front of others, especially to the persons like friends or other family members. They want to conceal all the things. For that only I send a rubric. You explained the case now. Your friend, you told about one case now. No, ma'am. For that I send the rubric.
Okay. Please let me know the rubric again, because I had some problem. I rejoined.
Urination in front of others cannot.
Okay. So how is the rubric related?
Dr. Farooq J. Master, he explained for this, the people, they are not ready to reveal their own personal matters in front of others.
Okay. So he has been taken the inference of that rubric.
Yes, ma'am. Because
Yes.
everybody will not go for urination in front of others, right? Even
Yes.
especially Natramure case,
Yes,
like the
yes.
feeling of if somebody is in the room, they can't go for the toilet,
The
they can't
rubric,
urinate.
yes,
That
yes,
that sound will others will hear the sound. They will observe us like that. The thing they have. For that, the
Exactly.
Natamure will check the room. They will go alone for passing motion, urine. For that only, actually, we predict the rubric for that. But Farooq J Master, in the one point of view, he told about a case like this, and he explained this rubric in the way. Like you said, now your friend can't express their own personal things with you. For that only, I just send the rubric.
yes,
Okay,
Dr.
Tara,
Tara.
what is
Yes,
ma'am?
hello, Dr.
Yes,
Tara.
ma'am.
I think of this rubric also in the first case because she doesn't go to the bathroom in the presence of others. She want to take bath in the early morning itself because no one is waking up and see her like that. She had the delusion.
Yes, yes, yes. So that is why Natramur has been good with her, right?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
It's a
Okay.
confirmative symptom for Natramure.
yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
But Dr.
Mm.
Tara, I want to mention one word here. The
Mm.
inference, there is a set of people in homeopathy, I don't want to mention the names,
Mm. Mm.
they will be taking the inference like this. See, the urine cannot pass in front of others. So this is the inference he made is because she may be shy, because she may be emotional, because we should not get to the inference.
Okay,
Who
ma'am.
are we to take the inference? If that inference comes from the lady herself, then we can take the rubric. So
Okay,
that
ma'am.
is
Valid,
what
yes,
I say.
valid purpose.
What did I say is the chocolate remedy, all the four drugs. If the lady says like this, you take this remedy. If the lady experience like this, you take this remedy. That is what I told. But I did not told that if the lady is thinking like this, if we feel that the lady is thinking like this, if we feel that the lady, no, our
Mm.
feelings के लिए value कुछ भी नहीं है. So
Yes,
that
ma'am.
is
Yes,
what
ma'am.
is main problem with that set of homeopathy doctors who are taking these rubrics as their inference. Naturally, he may be right because naturally, no, not being in between before others means we are having some restrictions, and she is also having some. Either we should take the rubric in its prescribed sense, or we should take the rubric in the experience of the patient. That's all. Please
Mm.
remember, all of you, at this point. In the actual sense means if she says that I can't urinate before others, then you go for the rubric and say I can't urinate before others. There ends the matter, because that is also a PQRS symptom. You are taking also the rubric. So, but in that way, if you get all the drugs in that rubric, and you need to take the metriomedic of each and every drug, and you need to see the mind in each and every drug, and you need to compare with the mind of this lady. Again, you need to ask the mind of the lady only. There
Mm.
also you need to go with the metriomedica only. Okay. So,
Yes,
but
ma'am.
if
Yes.
you say but if in her experience, that means what is that? No, people are seeing in her first case also, doctor's first case also. All the people are looking at me. All the men are looking at me. Something she told, na. So she's asking. So what happens if they see like that? What then she says that no, I can't see, I can't do my own activities. Then you can take the rubric, I can't urinate before others.
Mm.
In that part of the Natramur can be taken, take a tick, and if other symptoms are support, you can give Natramur like that. And Ambra Gracia is also there in that very
Yes, ma'am.
rubric. And Ambra Gracia also does not want others to listen to the sounds of her urination and
Yes,
motion also. So
yes,
what
Mm.
she does now, she will lock the bedroom door, and also she will go inside the bathroom, attached bathroom, and she will lock that door also, because but the people will be outside her bedroom. So no one should be in the bedroom door, because if the sound, if it comes out of the bathroom also, it will stay in her bedroom only. It won't go out to all the people. Even in marriages also, she will never go for any urination or motion. She will sit like that only. Sulfur also, sulfur, no, not sulfur. Carcinosin and other people also, they are very much, they don't want to go because of the fastidiousness. Outside toilets are also not good. But this Ambra Gricia does not want to go because other people will see her going into the toilet, coming out from the toilet. That means coming out, wiping her hands, or coming out, keeping her frills of the sari out up. So she doesn't want, or he doesn't want to others people to observe like that. That is amblyopia. And what is the background of amblyopia for that? Because amblyopia is a very alone person. He prefers to be alone. He will be very depressed. He doesn't want to meet with people. He doesn't want to have a social life because of his depressions. In that way, he will be doing all these things. So that background should be there. But in Natremur, it is kind of abuse. It may be the external thing because Natremur herself is an infant, infant in mind. He doesn't have his own mind at all. Anything from the society, she will take. That is Natremur. Anything, whatever. But amblyopia, they are having their own depressions, their own level of thinking because it is an animal remedy. Animal ka thinking alag rehta hai na. So animal is very much higher in thinking. And amblyopia, where from it comes? It comes from the whale. The whale is the highest mammal after before humans. Along with humans, it is the highest mammal in the sea mammal, sea water mammal. So the thinking purpose will also will be in a high range. That means they will be having a valid reason for their depression. Maybe her mother has been died, her nanamma, that means her granny has been died, and her recent past, her neighborhood auntie is died. So the deaths will be there in carcinosin and also in amblyopia. The frequent deaths will be there. So even though they have died with old age also, the frequency of deaths generally makes any other person depressed only, na? So 2 months back my granny died, 3 months back my mother died, and 4 months or 1 month back my uncle died. So they have died out of their own complications. No, there is no sudden deaths. But even then, the depression will be maintained. Like that condition, amblyopia doesn't want to pass urine in front of others. So never take the inference on ourselves. Ask for the patient, and you can modify that inference into our rubrics if she says like that. But we should not think about the inference anytime. Or you can go for the direct rubrics. You can have the direct symptoms. You can take 20 to 30 rubrics also. No problem. Like that. Okay. So I think I have answered Dr. Thara. Anyway, you are so great. You are very much in continuation of the subject. Immediately you remember the rubric and you have forwarded to me. Thank you so much. And I wanted to just let all of you know about this conflict and the experience mode, what we have to take. And that's why I have experienced it. The totality should be made with the experience of the patient symptoms, and that is the subjective symptoms. And those are called as symptoms as per Hahnemann. Those are the symptoms of that patient, not what she utters from her mouth, what she feels behind her back. That we should not we should not guess. She should tell on herself like that. Okay? Okay. And I think I have answered, Dr. Tara. Okay, thank you. And yeah, okay, doctors. Any other queries? And I think we had a very, very good session. Agree with me? So all of you agree with me. Thank you so much. And I think literally Dr. Pungurali nailed our session today. And we have learned with all the constitutional remedies how to pick up the constitution. And most importantly, how to give the follow-ups and how to give the smaller remedies and how to have the patient with us for so long time. How would you hold the patient with you for so long time? So that we have learned. Because the heart patients are there from 2020 or 21 to till 2025 means that itself, the remedies also will speak, and also our type of case taking also will make that issue clear. Okay. So I think I'm clear. Okay, Dr. Beulah, any other question? Your hand is still raised. Okay.
No, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, no. And any other? Dr. Ramadevi, are you following the sessions? Thank you, Dr. Swati. Dr. Ramadevi, are you there? Yes. Dr. Ramadevi, what is your observation now? No, don't leave each and everybody. Just stay for 5 more minutes. I will be asking each of your observations today. Listening and just leaving is not our motto. What did you learn today? Each one of you, and let me know. Should be telling me now. Yes, Dr. Deeksha, Dr. Ramadevi. So Dr. Ramadevi, she is from Hyderabad and she is my junior. So I'm asking her. So Ramadevi, how? What is your inference today? What did you get from today's session? Are you there or she left?
Today I got Atrimer drug picture, ma'am. Totally, actually.
Mm-hmm. Very good, very good. So did it help you your practice? Do you think that it will help you to your practice today?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. I
very
will not
good.
forget in future also.
Yeah, that's so fine, Dr. Rama. So we are very good here to support enthusiastic students like you, enthusiastic practitioners like you. Dr. Rama Devi is having her own practice at Biramguda, Hyderabad. She is very good, quite good practitioner there, and she is even then she is having small kids. She is being attending our sessions regularly. So that's why I have given her mic to open today. And Dr. Swati, very good. You have understood the kingdom differentiation. Someday we can keep about the kingdoms also. Then we will speak about the kingdoms. Yes, Dr. Saujanya, shall we know about you?
Yeah,